Definitely looking somewhere to stop now. Should have gone there. Getting really soaked now. Need to stop. I'm now off to Himeji. Yeah, let's get some petrol first and then I'll be on our way. Let's go. Yep, weather might not be on my side today, to be honest. It's looking that way. I was really hoping to avoid most of the rain. I was having a look online. It looked like, you know, maybe I'd miss most of it if I got out of Kyoto quick. But yeah, it looks like I'm going to get hit a bit with this. Yeah, getting much heavier now. I need to pull over because otherwise I'm going to get really soaked. So let's see what we can do. I need to just find a little spot. Coming into quite a pretty section here. Look at all these buildings, they just look absolutely fantastic. It's got that kind of classic Nintendo look to it, doesn't it? Like that kind of the grey look. I love that. I'm tempted to stop for a McDonald's already. I see one here, I'm like, oh, should I? I'm like, no, I've got to get on to Osaka first because otherwise I'm not going to have any miles under my belt. If I keep stopping, it's not going to get anywhere. Quite enjoying filtering now through traffic. Quite helpful. Rain's getting heavier again. Right. Definitely looking somewhere to stop now. Should have gone there. Damn it. Right, getting really soaked now, need to stop. Just got my coat on and it's started to come out really nice. Typical. Right, I'm off again. Right, I'm coming on into Osaka now. That's, oh shit. I can tell there's a bike behind me. Yeah. Yeah, excited to be back. It's really lovely here. And then, yeah, I might just have a little look around. But yeah, just because of the weather today, I think I'll try and kind of keep to the main road, keep to the coast, and head on to my kind of hotel today. I'll keep it quite casual, just because the last couple of days have been so tough. Into Osaka now. Looks amazing. Do love this place. I've been here so many times, but every time I come here it's a new experience, you know. definitely doing this via bike feels different than walking the streets or riding public transport. Let's see if I can go down the main street anyway. I don't actually know where that is. I guess I'm heading towards it now. I'm not 100% sure whether I'm taking the main road like through the city streets, which is kind of what I wanted to do. I'm kind of taking a back road here, but yeah, that's fine. Right, that's Osaka Castle, but I haven't really seen much of it because I've got a truck behind me. Oh, there it is, a little bit of it. Maybe I'll see it on the way back. I'll have more time then. Look at all these tourists. Whoa, all gone to see the castle. Oh, so I went to the wrong lane there. I hope I got the right lane. Right, just check I'm in the right lane, going to Kobe. How many kilometers now? Got 28 kilometers to get to Kobe. Yeah, so once I'm at Kobe I'll try and stop and just have a little break. Yeah, there's just been quite a bit of traffic for kind of like the last half an hour or so, leaving, oh, the bug just went in my throat, leaving Osaka. So yeah, I've just kind of been on with that, and now I'm kind of coming into Kobe now. I've got another 18 minutes to go, and then I found a McDonald's I think I'm going to stop at. Oh, Harley Davidson. Oh, cool. Everyone's starting to accelerate quite a lot now coming into Kobe. Although I think the speed limit hasn't actually changed, to be fair. It says 40 everywhere, but everyone seems to be going like 65. I wonder why that is. Right, just had a really good McDonald's. That was so needed. A little break. And now we're off again. And I'm going to go straight to Himeji. Kind of wants me to cut like inland a little bit. I mean, I wasn't going to do that. I was going to follow the coast, but it seems to think that's the fastest and best way. Oh, that's me. Sneezing everywhere. Oh yeah, the weather's turning out much better now. Enjoying this more now. Get more into the flow of things. A lot of pretty people around, aren't there? Like, yeah, really lovely. Everyone's really lovely looking. I hope they don't mind me saying that. Really well dressed. Yeah. I'm surprised I haven't had as much attention this time as I have done in the past. Usually I'm quite like popular and people want to talk to me and that, but I think they're very shy as well, especially if their English isn't very good. People can be very shy, so... buttocks are sore already. Alright, so I'm making good time. It says I've got an hour and 18 minutes left till I get to Himeji. Oh, got a bit of a hill start here. Oh shit. Problem with only being like 5'10" is, if I'm lucky on a good day on 5'10", is that it really is difficult to put my foot down. Even on a bike like this, which is quite small. Especially if you've got like uneven ground or anything like that. Wow, look at that view. Whoa! Stunning. Whoa! It's a fun downhill section. Section. Cool. Didn't even see that car. Back in the countryside of Japan, love this. Oh, got a bit of a smoky smell around here though. Absolutely having the best time here. If you drive regularly like this and you're on a motorbike, you'll know exactly what I mean. It's just so much fun. Yeah, now I've really got into the trip a bit more, and the buttocks have kind of firmed up to the whole situation. You'll notice I talk a lot about my butt, but it's 100% true. It hurts all the time right now. Okay, I got about 42 minutes to go. It says it's all green all the way there, so yeah, it should be dead easy this last part of the trip for today. Oh God, I just need to stand up for a second. Which one is it? Oh right, here we go. Oh, that was close. Almost got the wrong exit there. Back on the motorway now, a little bit at least. That bridge, wow. Right, so I've got about 15 kilometers to go now. Well, sorry, 18 kilometers, but 22 minutes. It says it's not too bad on this like kind of highway section. Arse is really killing me right now, but just getting it done, and then I'm just going to go and have a relax and just have a sleep, I think. Probably just go straight to bed, I reckon. I'm going to arrive at about 10 past 3, so in plenty of good time, just have a relax tonight, and then I'll probably set off tomorrow towards Hiroshima. I'm now coming into Himeji. Oh God, bum just hit me in the face. I have the shield down.